Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be making this sumptuous banga soup from scratch. Let's get started. Wash and boil palm fruit for 20 to 30 minutes or until very soft. Transfer boiled fruit into a mortar and gently pound to separate skin from the nuts. If using blender, pause for 30 to 50 seconds. Add hot water, not boiling. Use the pestle to mash the fruit. Use sieve to strain mixture. This helps to separate the oil from the chaff. Repeat this process until we are done with all the fruit. At this point, I am using my hand so that I can thoroughly extract the juice. Strain again to remove any chaff. Palm fruit juice is ready. In a pot, add in banga spice. I really don't know how to pronounce this name of the spice, but all the ingredients are listed in the description box. Toast the spice to enhance their flavor and aroma. Add in the extracted palm fruit juice and allow to boil until it's a bit thick in consistency. Add in beef, crayfish, a lot of crayfish, yellow pepper, half tablespoon of mixed banga spice, chicken seasoning, salt, stockfish or as it's fondly called, or oporoko as it's fondly called. Add in smoked egg, ejakika, add in cow skin, also known as pomo, boiled catfish. This fish is Banga Soup signature. Add in shrimps. And cover and allow to cook. Add in periwinkles, basil leaf or scent leaf. Allow to boil for a few minutes or until the soup consistency is thick enough. Food is ready. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, kindly drop a comment below.